Hi, I'm Courtney McQuade with Markets Group here at our 13th Private Equity Forum in New York City. With me is Brad Bernstein, Managing Partner of FTV Capital. Brad, it's great to see you.
Great to be with you at this fantastic event. Had a really productive session this morning.
I'm so happy to hear it. What were some of the key takeaways from your session?
I think the key takeaways this morning are, first of all, that growth equity is one of the best segments of the private equity market to be in today. Fantastic place that bridges the growth and dynamism of venture capital with the rigor, discipline, analytics, and valuation fundamentals of private equity. And so there's a lot of opportunities in growth equity, especially to provide liquidity to all the earlier stage startups of the last decade that desperately need liquidity, and then bridge them to bigger strategic buyouts or IPOs in the future. So really excited about those opportunities that we're seeing at FTV Capital. And I would also say that in an environment where there's stagflation, which is really lower growth, finding these dynamic high growth businesses, that's where the value creation of the next decade is really going to be.
Interesting, and from now that we've talked about a growth standpoint, what would your advice be for investors looking at investments, but coming from all of this volatility and what's happening in the markets?
Sure, I think that you said it well. With a volatile background, you really need to be cautious and thoughtful about both valuation fundamentals, also not using too much debt. I think we need to be de-risking our businesses by capitalizing them really well. And if you combine that valuation discipline, a conservative capital structure, give your companies the opportunities to take advantage of growth over the next couple of years, I think that's going to be really key. And then of course the final thing is, getting that DPI to your limited partners is so important. That having just completed a fundraise, I live firsthand how valuable that was in kind of giving my limited partners what they want so that they want to support us for the next chapter of our growth.
Fantastic. And Brad, I have to ask you, how are you enjoying the event so far?
It's a great lineup here at the event. It's really a fantastic day and very happy to be here. Thanks for having me.
Well, we're happy you're here, Brad. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
And we are on the sidelines of our 13th Private Equity Forum.